The eagerly awaited Samsung Galaxy S24 series is on the horizon, with Samsung officially announcing its grand reveal on January 17 in San Jose, California. As the anticipation builds, interested individuals can register online to secure their chance at obtaining the latest flagship device. While the official prices are yet to be disclosed, a report from Korea has shed light on the expected costs for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in Samsung's home country. According to the report, the prices for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, both equipped with 256 gigabytes of storage, are anticipated to remain the same as the 2023 models. However, a noteworthy change comes with the 512 gigabytes versions, which are expected to have higher prices. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, across all its variants, is also set to experience a price hike. The reported prices in Korean currency and their equivalent in US dollars are detailed as follows. 256 gigabytes, Galaxy S24, $1,031. 512 gigabytes, Galaxy S24 Plus, $1,140. 256 gigabytes, Galaxy S24 Ultra, $1,294. 512 gigabytes, Galaxy S24 Ultra, $1,403. These prices are indicated for post-launch purchases. However, the report highlights that pre-order offers for the Galaxy S24 series include complimentary storage upgrades. Additionally, customers opting for pre-orders will have the enticing choice of receiving either a discount on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro wireless earbuds or a Samsung Care Plus coupon. It's anticipated that the Galaxy S24 series in the Korean region will be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip instead of the Exynos 2400. The Snapdragon option is expected to deliver superior performance compared to the Exynos counterpart. In tandem with these revelations, Samsung has unveiled a new teaser for the Galaxy S24, likely to be broadcast as TV ads in the US. The teaser takes viewers on a nostalgic journey back to 1988, highlighting Samsung's initial foray into the mobile phone market with a bulky device featuring an antenna, characteristic of phones from that era. The teaser showcases Samsung's history of innovation in mobile technology, emphasizing groundbreaking innovations introduced with Samsung phones over the years. Samsung's commitment to artificial intelligence is also highlighted in the teaser, labeled as Galaxy AI. While these AI features are expected to extend to other phones later in the year, the Galaxy S24 is positioned as the pioneer in introducing them. To further stoke the excitement, Samsung has initiated pre-reservations for the Galaxy S24 series. Those opting to pre-reserve can enjoy a discount, making the prospect of upgrading to the Galaxy S24 even more enticing. Pre-reservations are free, requiring no payment upfront. Interested individuals simply need to provide their name and email address. Moreover, pre-ordering or purchasing the device after the official announcement makes customers eligible for a $50 credit on the Samsung store. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are expected to come in 4 colors: black, purple, white, and yellow. Similarly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow.